you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to make garlic paste. Garlic paste is one of those things that if you've never had it in your fridge, once you do, you realize that it's something that you always need to have there. It lasts for up to 3 weeks if you make it homemade, and it goes in so many recipes. You could throw it in a chicken dish or a pasta or whatever, really, and it's already pre-made in your fridge. You could have it in there for a bunch of weeks. It's really honestly just like a perfect thing to kind of always have on hand. So I'm going to show you a very simple recipe to make yours homemade. You can buy it in a store, but hey, why not try to make it homemade? All you need is a few things and a food processor or a blender. So to get started, we have 2 cups of some garlic cloves that are peeled, and we're just going to put them in our food processor. After that, we're adding 3 cups of a good olive oil. We're just going to pour it in there on top of the garlic. There's only a few more ingredients. We have 1/4 of a cup of water, and we're just going to do some salt to taste. So I don't like to put a lot of salt in here, so I would say about 1/2 teaspoon. But if you want to up that, go ahead. Last ingredients, we're going to squeeze in some lemon juice. So I have a full lemon here that I'm just going to squeeze in both sides. Let's do this one too. Just give it a nice squeeze. And then it's time to pulse this into a paste. After that, we're just going to pulse it on up until we got our paste. And after that, you have yourself a delicious garlic paste to use on any recipe that you want. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, you could cut back on olive oil, and honestly, you can blend it to the consistency that you want. As long as the garlic's nice and chopped up like that, you got yourself a garlic paste. So pulse it or just run it on high until it's the consistency that you like, and get ready to use it in all of your recipes. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every Tuesday. Find us on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and other than that, I'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.